Today on Maple and Saffron, we are trying something that is strange for me because I don't like coconut water and mixing it with coffee seems strange to me. But I've had a lot of people tell me that it's good. I've seen it on Instagram, and so I thought I would give it a try before forming an opinion. So in here I have mixed 1 cup of ground coffee and 3 cups of coconut water. Coconut water and coffee, apparently I need some. And it has sat for 18 hours. We're going to strain it, and I hope that my strainer is thin enough. We'll find out. All right, it is a fairly simple recipe. It's all done. I will try some for you. This is my very fancy jug. Better than I expected, but I still don't like coconut water, so I don't really like it. But as far as like a cold brew situation, it has good flavor. It has potential if I didn't make it with coconut water. So I guess the be all and end all of my story is I can make cold brew at home. It would be a cup of grounds to 3 cups of water, and then it would be delicious. This one, not so much. But if you like coconut water, give it a try.